Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus Shimo. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla versus Shimo, let's begin right here with Shimo. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and then it's going to curve back like this. Or we're going to curve this line down and up. Up here, I'm going to make some lines that just kind of go up and down to make some little points above Shimo's eye. Now I'm going to make some little curves here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make like the front of Shimo's nose. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this. I'm going to make some lines that are just going to kind of go up and then down here. I'm going to bring this line down for the nose. And then for the mouth, I'm going to bring this line kind of up and down and then back up here. I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to make a little line back here for like the back of the mouth. Next, let's add some sharp teeth inside Shimo's mouth. And then we're going to add some more kind of pointed teeth here. And let's curve a line. It's just going to kind of come up and down for the tongue. And then I'm going to bring a line back up here. And we'll put some more little teeth here so we kind of see the other side of Shimo's mouth. Next, I'm going to curve a line here. Then we want to go down and then bring this back here. Or make it kind of bumpy. And then we're going to kind of curve this back for the head. Make some little broken lines right around the eye. I'll make a little broken line right around the face and the top and bottom of the mouth. Make another big point right here. And then I'm going to start adding a few kind of little pointed lines for her spikes. Next, I'm going to start making some bigger pointed spikes over here. And I'm just going to kind of put them all around, kind of filling in the area here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line kind of down and up, show where the neck and body is, and I'll do another one there. Now I'm going to make the leg here, kind of like she's on the ground a little bit. So let's bring this line kind of out, and then down here for her leg. I'm going to make a big claw right here. And I'm going to make another one here. We'll draw a little line, and I'll make another one that kind of comes down and rounds up. And I'll make this line kind of come out, and then we'll bring it up just a little bit. We'll add some more little lines right around here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and a couple little lines here. Next, I'm going to make another leg over here. So I'm going to bring this line kind of up and then over to here. I'll make a couple little bumps and I'll bring this line down to the claw. Next, I'll bring another one here. I'll put a couple more little bumps. I'll bring this line over, and I'll make another little claw here. Put a little bit of detail around there. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'll do a couple more. And then I'm going to bring this towards here, and then we can just kind of bring the rest of Shimo's body here We can even put another little line down. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines that come across here. Next, up here, I'm going to make Godzilla. So I'm going to kind of line up the eyes a little bit, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down and back. Then a little line's going to curve up for the eye. I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come up and down. I'll bring a couple little lines down and a couple little lines underneath the eye. Make a little line, and then I'm just going to kind of come out. And I'm going to go down like this. We'll do two little lines for the nose. I'm going to kind of bring this line up, and then I'm going to bring this line up and down for the mouth. I'm going to bring this line down here. We'll draw the back of the mouth with a couple more little lines. And then we'll just kind of draw some sharp teeth inside Godzilla's mouth. And then we'll do some sharp teeth down here. Make a line that's going to kind of curve up and down. Draw a line here, and then a line up here. Make a little line here for the other eye. Then we're going to make kind of like a broken line for like the back of the head. We'll kind of start bringing some lines down. We'll curve a line, and we'll bring this down for the chin. We'll come over, make kind of bumpy for the jaw. Next, starting here, I'm going to make these lines kind of come down and then up and almost like a V shape for the neck of Godzilla. I'm going to bring this line down. I'll make a line that's going to kind of come down here for the shoulder and then an arm out here. Make a line that kind of curves around for one of his claws. And then we'll make some more here. We'll make a couple little claws right along here. Then we're just going to kind of bring these lines back up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve a line down. I'm going to bring a line out here. I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to curve a line that comes out for one of the claws. I'm going to bring this line over and then up here. I'm going to make this kind of curve down, down, and another one kind of curve down. Next, I'm going to bring this line kind of down and up for the chest area. And I'm just going to kind of curve this line down. I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then I'm going to make this line kind of come out and then down. Make a couple little curves. We're going to bring a point here and then another point here for a claw. We'll make a point here and then one here. Next, I'm going to bring this out or bring this leg in and then kind of curve around. I'm going to connect this here. And I'm going to bring these lines kind of down here. Bring some lines up here and then down for that foot. We'll put some claws on here and then some lines above it. I'm going to bring this line back here, or kind of curve it up for his tail. And we're not going to finish off tail because I still have to add his spikes here. So I'm going to come in here and just start to add some kind of pointed, jagged lines kind of right around Godzilla. We're just going to get like a little row in, and then we kind of add some more big spikes on here. I'm going to bring this line back here. And we can add some little spikes right across there. I'm going to bring some lines down the center of Godzilla. And we're going to kind of bring some lines kind of coming down and up. Make these little lines right around here for like where the knee would be. And then we can add some more little lines that kind of come across following the shape of Godzilla here. We'll add some lines for the claws. And then we'll make some more little lines right around here. Make a little broken line here and some lines around the face. We'll make some lines right across the head too. I'll make some curves that kind of come up the tail. And some little broken lines kind of coming down. Next, I'm going to bring this line kind of back here for Shimo. I'll make a little line that kind of comes up and down for that other leg. And then I'm just going to kind of fill up this area with a bunch of spikes in here. I want to show all those spikes that Shimo has. So we're just going to kind of make all sorts of spikes, make these really tall and pointy. Kind of put some more out here. Then I'm going to make some broken lines right across the legs of Shimo for some detail. A couple little lines down the neck area. And just a few more little lines for some detail. Even do some lines on the claws and everything. And we can even do some of these little broken lines on here. And then that's pretty much it. That is our drawing of Godzilla and Shimo. If you guys always want to take this a step further, you could always add some of those different like crystals and stuff in the back. All you'd have to do is just make some of these big pointed shapes. I always just like to kind of start off with a line that kind of comes up, and then I make like these little points here. Kind of put some different ones here. And then I always kind of make these broken V shapes in them. And then I kind of put a line or two kind of coming down along the edges here. And then this kind of gives it a little bit of that like crystal shape, kind of where they were fighting. We can always add some sort of little bit of like a ground here as well that they're standing on, just some little lines all around. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla versus Shimo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.